What's up guys? Kumusta kayo? It's me again, Joseph K. So for today's video guys, let's talk about East-West Easy Way application, forgot password, and forgot username. So ano nga ba yung dapat nyong gawin guys kapag nakalimutan ninyo yung password sa East-West Easy Way application ninyo? Ano nga ba yung dapat nyong gawin kapag nakalimutan nyo rin yung username? Kasi mahirap na guys kapag nakalimutan nyo yan, hindi nyo na ma-access yung account ninyo sa EasyWay application. So importante yan kasi nandun lahat nakalink yung credit card ninyo at saka yung debit card ninyo sa East-West EasyWay application. Paano nyo na ngayon matitrace yung transactions ninyo? Ngayon, kailangan nyo ma-access ulit yung East-West EasyWay application ninyo. Kaya naman, i-share ko sa inyo kung ano nga ba yung dapat nyo gawin kapag nakalimutan niyo yung password at saka yung username. Pero bago yun, nais muna kitang imbitahan na mag-subscribe sa YouTube channel ko kung bago ka pa lang kasi marami pa akong i-share ng mga tutorials, knowledge, and experience of mine in the future. Kaya naman huwag nyo kalimutan mag-subscribe para updated kayo lagi sa mga vlogs na i-upload ko. Yun lang po at sobrang maraming salamat po. So as you can see guys here, to reset your East-West EasyWay app or application password, use the Forgot Password feature on the login screen to receive a reset link or instructions via email. So ito guys, unahin ko muna yung password kasi ito yung madalas nakakalimutan. Yung username is parang madalang siya nakakalimutan. Kaya naman uunahin ko muna yung password, in-next ko na lang yung Forgot Username. So ulit tayo. Kailangan yung i-open yung East-West EasyWay application ninyo. Siguro alam nyo naman kung ano yung East-West EasyWay application, no? Open nyo yan, tapos may option doon na forgot password or username. Ngayon, since password yung nakalimutan ninyo, forgot password yung i-click ninyo. Tapos, makaka-receive kayo ng email which is nandun yung reset link or instructions via email. Ensure your registered mobile number is updated to receive OTPs. So ito guys, crucial part ito. Kailangan talaga nung nag-apply kayo ng East-West credit card or East-West savings account o nag-open kayo ng savings account, make sure lang na updated yung mobile number nyo doon. Or kung wala na kayong access, make sure na dapat updated siya. Tip muna ito guys, no? Kapag nawala yung mobile number ninyo or email, hindi niyo na ma-access, make sure na ipa-update ninyo sa East-West customer service para at least hindi kayo mamroblema in the future kapag kailangan ng mga verification methods. Kasi sa East-West registered mobile number, kung ano yung nilagay ninyo na nag-open kayo, doon lahat ipapadala yung verification like OTP or sa email, ganun din. And contact their 24-hour hotline at 028-888-1700 or email at service@eastwestbanker.com for further assistance. So ito naman guys, kapag hindi nyo ma-access yung email ninyo, yung registered mobile number, kailangan nyo talaga mag-email. Kailangan nyo ng tulong ng East-West Customer Service Representative para ma-access ninyo yung East-West EasyWay application ninyo. Then yun, ito yung steps to recover your password or to reset your new password, no? I mean to reset password sa East-West EasyWay application. Use the application or web. Click Forgot Username or Password on the login screen. Ngayon, kapag halimbawa wala kayong East-West application, so I advise guys na mag-download talaga kayo ng East-West EasyWay application kasi mas mabilis siya compared to mag-login kayo sa online or sa sa website, no? Mas maganda talaga na application kayo lahat mag-access. Mas convenient siya. Verification is you may be required to answer security questions set during registration. So ito, kailangan nyo malaman guys na may mga verification questions, of course, to verify your identity. Of course, natural yan. At wag na wag kayong magagalit sa East-West Bank. Then OTP verification. An OTP will be sent to your registered mobile number to verify your identity. So ito na yung sinasabi ko na kailangan na access ninyo yung mobile number na nakalink doon sa East-West application ninyo or sa East-West account ninyo para ma-receive ninyo yung one-time PIN na sinasabi. Then email confirmation. Follow the instructions in the email to reset your credentials. So after that, na-verify na, dumating na yung kuha ninyo yung OTP since okay naman lahat, i-open ninyo yung registered email address kasi doon nila ipapadala yung instructions on how to reset your credentials sa East-West EasyWay application or yung login details. If you are locked out or need further help, you can also reach out to their customer service via hotline or the Facebook Messenger chat ESTA. To be honest guys, sa Facebook Messenger, hindi siya maaasahan, hindi siya reliable. The best way to do is to contact their official hotline number, which is ito, 02-8888-1700. Yun yung pinakakailangan yung dapat gawin kung hindi nyo talaga ma-open yung East-West EasyWay application ninyo. Halimbawa, na-lock na since maraming attempt na kasi sinusubukan nyo maalala yung password, mali-mali talaga yung nalalagay ninyo. Kasi sa katagalan guys, habang inuulit-ulit ninyo yung transaction sa pag-login sa East-West EasyWay application, ang mangyayari dyan is malalock yung access ninyo. So, mas matagal na yung process nun. Kailangan nyo mag-antay ng certain period of time para makapag-relogin ulit kayo. Ngayon, since nakalimutan nyo, yun lang talaga ang problema. Kaya tumawag na lang talaga kayo sa official hotline number nila, which is yung 4 at saka 1700. 02-4 then 1700. Then ngayon, let's talk about kung paano naman ma-recover yung username sa East-West EasyWay application. Kanina, nakalimutan nyo yung password. Ngayon, halimbawa, nakalimutan nyo din talaga yung username since matagal na ninyo na hindi ginagamit. Ngayon, paano nga ba i-recover yung username sa East-West EasyWay application? To recover your East-West EasyWay username, you can use the built-in recovery tools or contact customer support directly. So ngayon, kung ayaw nyo tumawag, since wala kayong pantawag, wala kayong landline to call customer service, East-West customer service. So much better is, you can do it on your own, kung kaya naman. Recovery options is, forget username or password feature. On the East-West EasyWay login screen, tap the forget username or password link. You will be required to provide specific account details such as your card number or registered email to verify your identity before the system displays or resets your credentials. So, kailangan guys, syempre may account naman kayo sa East-West, di ba? Kasi kinakailangan yung i-reset, yung password at saka yung username. So, ngayon, kailangan nyo mamili doon or may security questions which is, kailangan nyo i-provide yung card number kung may savings account kayo sa kanila. Kung may credit card naman, yung card number din. Don't worry guys, kasi official website naman ito ni East-West, no? Sa East-West EasyWay application kayo nang galing, so lahat yon legit naman. Basta, wag na wag nyo lang i-share yung confidential, like for example, yung expiry date, tsaka yung CVV ng credit cards ninyo at debit cards. Tapos ngayon, kung may tumatawag, tapos hinihingi yung OTP, wag na wag yung ibibigay yon kasi bawal na bawal yon. Delikado yon. Para aware kayo guys. Then, check your email. Search your inbox and spam folder for a welcome email from East-West Bank sent during your initial registration. This often contains your registered user ID. So ngayon guys, kapag okay naman yung registered mobile number or tsaka email, ngayon kapag hindi nyo nare-receive yung email from East-West, kung ano yung instruction doon, check nyo yung spam folder guys. At siguro aware naman kayo sa spam folder sa Yahoo Mail or di kaya sa email ninyo, sa Gmail or Yahoo Mail man yan. Check nyo yung spam, baka doon napunta, doon na save, doon dumating. Kasi may feature kasi si Yahoo at saka si email, no? Si Gmail na kapag medyo suspicious, nilalagay sa spam. So, minsan, yung mga bank-related emails na pupunta sa spam folder. Check nyo baka nandun yung email ni East-West. So, I think that's all for now. So, sana may na-share ako. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos. It's me again, Joseph Kate, that says, we don't have cash because we go for cashless transactions. Bye-bye!